Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off activity status on TikTok. Now let's get started. First, open your TikTok apps, and after this, in here you just click on the profile icon at the bottom. Click on it, and after this, in here you just click on the three lines icon at the top. And then click on this setting and privacy, and after this, in here you just click on the privacy, and after this, in here you can click on this icon, click on it and finish. So that's how to turn off activity status on TikTok. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.